Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Satisfaction on guitar. We will start by breaking down the famous main riff, which is instantly recognizable. This riff combines two-note power chords with a single-note melody, all played with a distinctive fuzz effect. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. Mastering these elements is crucial for achieving that authentic, driving sound. Next, let's explore the straightforward chord progression that underpins the entire song. Satisfaction primarily utilizes just three basic open chords: E major, A major, and B7. While simple, the key is to practice transitioning smoothly and cleanly between these shapes. Consistent practice will ensure your chord changes are seamless and maintain the song's driving energy. A crucial element of Satisfaction is its iconic fuzz guitar tone. To achieve this, you will need a fuzz pedal, which creates that signature gritty, distorted sound. Additionally, adjust your amplifier settings to be bright and cutting, perhaps with the treble around 7 or 8. Experiment with your pick attack and dynamics to truly capture the song's raw energy and articulation. Finally, let's look at the song structure and some effective practice tips. Satisfaction generally follows a straightforward verse-chorus format, with the main riff serving as a recurring motif. Begin by practicing the riff and chord changes slowly and separately. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and overall feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.